Hello, hello, hello. This is Attorney Mike Grevin coming to you from Chicago as usual. And I think I have it mixed up. I thought, oh my God. I, I thought Magoo was up at 9 o'clock in the morning in front of Judge Washington. Apparently, he's up at noon in front of Judge Simpson, which is probably God knows when that actually happens. So I got a couple clips. I'm going to switch this stream and do another stream when he's actually up. This one's from Jessica. Let's check it out. It's good stuff.
I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off, she's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not.
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
We'll talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she?
This gets worse.
What's that?
No,
Who is she
nothing.
to you?
Nothing.
She is
Seriously,
our
worse.
college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want to know? Do you want them trespassed?
Anything we can do.
Yeah.
Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him
yeah,
out.
cops, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All right.
protocol is.
So you're trespassed, so we got to leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're
there.
not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're
So
trespassing.
what
Number one.
did
Number
I
two.
just say to you? You're
You're
trespassed.
number
Let's
one.
go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We got to go. We got to go.
protocol
Let's
is.
go. Let's
Can we
go.
calm down for 1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to deal
off.
with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
Go.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can
protocol
you
is if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and
Don't
that's
tell
your
me about
protocol.
She's a lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we got to go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Come on, they're two full-grown women and mothers. All right.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What are you?
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
are
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have.
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong.
AG.
She's not leaving.
I'm an AG.
She's the AG.
Buddy,
You're not. She's not being arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay,
arrested.
do you have any weapons on you?
No. I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG.
I honestly don't know if she's an AG. We'll find out. I literally don't know.
Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
For those who aren't familiar with it, AG is going to be Attorney General, which is usually sort of a state prosecutor as opposed to like a county prosecutor. At least that's the way it rolls in Illinois and I think other states as well. This is Jessica's fault.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG.
I actually feel bad for her just because when you're drunk, you do dumb things. But if you're an AG, this is 10 times worse than it is for most people. It's not better. It's worse for you. Shut up.
Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
hands off
Dave,
me.
we will get the license.
She's getting detained.
Boy, have I been there. In that sense, I feel bad for her. I do, because I've had moments I'd prefer weren't on video. Having said that, it's delicious. It is.
No.
Get
Get the
out of
license.
here. Get out of here. Get back. Get back right now. Get back.
Detained.
No, I freaking. No.
Get back. You got cuffs.
Yep.
Right here. I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just stuff in the
right
car.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, babe.
No.
Stop touching me.
All right.
Babe, I'm
As if her plan wasn't to be in cuffs all night anyway.
right here.
No,
I'm right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please don't do this. Please
I'm right
don't do
here.
No, I'm not gonna find my back.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no, babe,
I'm right here.
babe,
I'm right here.
no, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding
You're
charges.
overreacting.
No. Please take my hands up. Please take them out of handcuffs. No, please take them.
You were overreacting. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
Babe, no!
You got two to take.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car.
Guys.
Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back.
Ah, hand right to the neck there. She's getting everything she needs.
Bro.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I don't think this is an arrest. I think this is fantasy camp.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Babe, I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me!
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here. I'm right here.
No! Who the f are you? This is so
You're
inappropriate! You're overreacting!
AG is going to be an elected position. So if she's in the AG, she's probably an assistant AG, which is not a big deal. It's a crappy job. Let's be honest with you. You know, like assistant prosecutor. Most prosecutors are not the elected official. So, but that does you absolutely zero good while being arrested. Zero. Like, if you think that's going to help, trying to use that to avoid your bad behavior is worse than the charge for whatever bad behavior you have. You go from being a drunk knucklehead to abuse of power. It's not good for you at all. If you have some position of public authority, shut the hell up about it. This notion, it's very immature that like it's like, oh, I'm gonna do what? Commit a felony and claim to assert some influence that you probably don't even have? I got another one. Let's see what else we got here. I think this is MGT's fault. Zach got it to me. Law Energy Night.
Property management, like Chase Carlson and Amanda Williams, 24-07290, council connected appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jessica Larson appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Is this Amanda Williams?
It is.
Okay, and Mr. Carson, you can remove your hat. This is the court proceeding. Today was the date scheduled for a discovery or a debtor's examination. Were you able to complete your exam?
No, Your Honor. Mr. Carson refused to answer any of my questions. He said he's not going to play games with me.
What games are being played, Mr. Carson?
Well, Your Honor, When I was previously there, I received a verdict by you that I believe to be emotionally charged due to your frustration with my inability to complete the tasks of a lawyer. I attempted to get a lawyer through the system. They denied me. I had to show up last minute unprepared, and things didn't go my way. So I figured, I'll do the process. I'll try to appeal it. I go downstairs and I'm told I have to pay $200 and some to even have a chance to get a fair trial or verdict. I'm having one individual who was emotionally charged at the time decide what has to happen with me instead of a jury of my peers. And now I'm being told I have to produce all my financial statements, documents, vehicles, titles, all this. And I have no interest, time, or energy to continue this charade. I've lost several days of labor.
Let me stop you because
They don't appoint attorneys for Keebler elves. It's an odd rule, but it's in the books.
just getting updated on this case. This was a landlord-tenant hearing that I presided over. Did you demand a jury trial?
I'm sorry?
Did you make a demand for jury trial in the landlord-tenant?
I requested, yes.
You made was there a demand on?
In written, I didn't put anything in writing. I did request the trial. I went downstairs and asked what my rights are, and they said to proceed any further past your decision, I had to pay $200 and some to even try. I did not have the money at the time, nor would I have it.
But sir, I asked you to let me get caught up. I'm trying to see if you have filed a jury demand. Let me also be clear. I don't make decisions because I'm emotionally charged.
No,
don't talk over me. Don't talk over me. Just because I won't let you run my courtroom does not mean that I am emotionally charged. There's order that will be set in the courtroom, and you will not talk over people. You will present the evidence. I'm absolutely fair and impartial, and you then have the right to appeal my decision. Just because you disagree with the decision doesn't make it impartial, okay? And if you don't follow, there's rules in place that I don't set as to how you file such appeal. If the clerk's office told you what you needed to file to move forward with the appeal, then that's what you needed to do. But I'm going to make it clear on my record that I did not make a decision in this case based on any emotions. I have no reason to be emotional about your eviction, sir. I'm not being evicted. So if you keep talking over me, this is probably what you did the last time. It's try to cut me off. Yeah, and you're shaking your head. So that's not me being emotionally charged. That's me not allowing you to run my courtroom. You don't talk over people. You have a question.
Yes, I was just speaking and you cut me off, but I'll let that.
Listen, I run the courtroom.
Okay, I understand.
Did you notice that?
May I finish, Your Honor, please?
Yes.
Okay. At the time of the last proceeding, I interrupted you. I apologize. But the second or third interruption, you stopped me in the middle of my sentence and awarded them the decision. You know what? You were like, you know what? Decision for them. You didn't specify why. It was just an emotionally charged because you were frustrated with my inability to complete the tasks of a paid lawyer.
I have eviction every single week, and the majority of my eviction.
That and you were wrong is a matter of law. But mostly the fact that you were wrong is a matter of law.
Are people who do not have attorneys. I don't know if you know that. Over 75% of our cases do not have attorneys representing them. I do not get frustrated with your inability to do the task of a lawyer. Where I will get frustrated and where I will not tolerate is if you think you're going to yell out or yell at the other party, yell at me, and you're going to act a fool in the courtroom, I will no longer allow you to be heard. Just because I cut you off and make a ruling does not mean that I ruled in their favor because I was frustrated with you. I was going to rule in their favor anyways because of the facts of the case. I was allowing you an opportunity to be heard. But when your opportunity to be heard becomes a hindrance to the procedure in the courtroom, then I have to terminate the hearing. And so if you want to proceed in any other manner, I don't know what your rights are now at this point as it relates to your right to appeal. You may have exhausted that time frame, but you're going to need to appear in person. I'm going to reset this since you refuse to comply with the court order to participate with the discovery proceeding, because this is an official proceeding. This is not your option. You have to participate in the proceeding because you have a judgment against you, and the plaintiff has the right to figure out how they can recover on that judgment.
Can we
Do
speak?
you understand that? Yes, you may.
Well, we tried to tell her, like, the funds, we can pay them. Like, we have no problem with that. We tried to tell her.
Coochie. Gotcha.
Ballpark of $10,000 with interest, Your Honor.
And you're
I asked him if they could make a payment in full, and he wanted to argue the merits of the judgment itself. I never heard an indication there would be a payment in full. If there's some sort of
So you can pay, but you don't. Okay, get out.
payment plan, I'm happy to discuss that once I get my questions answered, because they have made no efforts to make payment on this, never reached out. We've tried multiple different avenues for the information that we did have on where we thought they banked and where we thought they worked. So I've needed answers to all of the debtor's exam questions, and then I'm happy to work out a payment plan. In the event of a default, then I can pursue other arrangements.
okay. Are you in a position to pay in full the past due amount?
I'd prefer a payment plan. I would like to see what the interest is and what the original charges are. I was never actually formally presented with any numbers, despite what.
I'd prefer a payment plan. So in other words, no, you can't pay it.
She had just told you there until we were physically served for this court date. I had heard nothing other than a couple of emails where they were denied requests to garnish.
Yeah, we haven't received.
That is literally the only thing pertaining to the case I have seen since I walked out of your courtroom, attempted to file for an appeal, and was told I had to physically come up with money to do so that I didn't have at the time. So at no point was.
Okay, what do you want to appeal? What is it that you'd like to appeal? I bet it's a judgment. That means they have a judgment. And did you successfully appeal? No, you didn't. So guess what? You owe money.
Ever given a fair trial. I was given an opportunity to pay for one potentially, but I've received, like, the judgment is for, you gave them and rewarded them things they shouldn't have had. We weren't there. Like,
if you disagree with the court's position, you have the right to appeal. You failed to do that. I also want to correct the record again. You did not properly file any demand for jury trial, although being advised on your first appearance of how you have the right to a trial and how to file such jury trial demand. You did not file a jury trial demand. So if you didn't get a trial, that was on you.
Which is number one, wrong.
Then I guess I misunderstood, and that goes back to me not being a lawyer and wishing that I had.
It does not go back to you being a lawyer. We make a video. We make a virtual presentation. It's a video that I play, and every courtroom in this court plays that video at the first appearance. Most of you all
So it goes beyond you not being a lawyer and moves right into you being stupid.
don't pay attention to the video. It tells you very clearly in very plain language. You have the right to a jury trial, and you can make such demand for a jury trial, and it tells you how to do that. You don't need to be an attorney to do that.
Sorry, go ahead.
I'm done.
Can she produce an actual number, or are we going off of what she thinks?
So I'm asking for what's in the judgment plus whatever interest is, and I haven't calculated it.
You wouldn't have calculated that before today?
Well, you can do one of two things, sir, because I'm not the games that are being played, I do not believe are on the part of the plaintiff at this point. You can participate in good faith right now in the debtor's examination, provide the answers to the questions, which are under subpoena. You've been ordered to court for this purpose. Or I can reset this and order you to appear in person. If you fail to do that and to comply, then we have to proceed to a next step, which is a bench warrant. And I don't think you want a bench warrant over a civil matter. So it's in your best interest to comply. It sounds like she's willing to work with an installment payment order, but only after she gets the answers that she needs to figure out how they're going to recover on this debt. So
I did ask him if he
I
had, I'm sorry. Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
I asked him if he had any of the documents there were, in addition to information, it was documents, plenty of documents that were asked for, and he indicated that he wasn't going to produce those. So I would ask him to appear in person with all of the documents.
Oh.
And I'd also ask that, Your Honor, that he return to a tone that is respectful. He has screamed expletives at me the last time we were here in court, and he's called me things today. And it's uncalled for and unnecessary.
I am absolutely clear that the emotional charging was not from the courtroom. I'm not going to allow you to
She just called him a B, and she's right. I love it.
berate anyone in this courtroom, nor will you disrespect me or the process. You can appear in person. I'm going to reset this date, and you need to bring the documents that were ordered under the subpoena. If you fail to comply, the court will issue a bench warrant.
Your Honor, save yourself the time. Have her fax.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say.
Or
You instruct yourself.
Oh my God, Your Honor, save yourself the time. I gotta find it. I gotta find it right here.
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
You instruct yourself. You instruct yourself, or you'll be in contempt of court. Okay?
Excuse me?
You control your own mouth. Don't tell me what to say. I've already given you an opportunity.
Your
I'm
Honor.
now resetting this. You can appear in person. If you pay in full, then they can move forward to make sure that this removes off of my docket. But do not tell me what to do. I do not tolerate your tone. This is how we got here the last time. That might work. That might work with the lady sitting next to you, but you don't talk to me like that. Not in the court, not outside the court.
Woo.
Do you understand that?
I'll pay the balance.
Thank you.
My phone number's on all of the court paperwork. You can give me a call and I'll give you a number.
That's what we thought, B.
Give me a new date. September 4th at 1:30. September 4th at 1:30, you said? Yeah, in person at the court. You pays in full, you can provide evidence of that and have this removed from my docket. Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Save the
You're
tax and money.
Mute him and remove him from my courtroom before he's in contempt.
Get him out.
I wait for the notice.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
There you have it. That was fun. All right. I'll fix the thumbnail on here. Obviously, this wasn't the Magoo stream. I thought it was. I thought Magoo was scheduled in front of Judge Washington, but apparently he's at a different time in front of a different judge. So maybe we'll try that later. But thanks for coming out, and thanks for the clips. Those were a lot of fun. The I wanted to see the follow up on the AG. What I really want, which I'm not going to get, is I'd like body cam footage of her walking into the office the next day if she's an AG. I want the awkward coworkers like, woo. How you doing? And this guy was a trip. I mean, if you've got the money, then pay it. You lost, you can't appeal. To complain about that, it just makes you look incredibly stupid. That's it. If you have the money to pay the judgment, then you have the money to pay whatever expenses you have to appeal. Now, you're better off because you're not going to win on appeal. You're not going to win because you owe rent and you didn't pay it. So you're going to lose. That's how it goes. All right. Good stuff. Sorry we had to switch to an alternate. But I will check in and see if I can't catch Magoo later today. See y'all soon.